Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how many requests can you make to ChatGPT. So let's go to the Google first and ask Google directly about this question. How many requests can you make to ChatGPT? Google saying it's up to 50 to 70 requests per hour. It is for paid users. I mean the who buy the subscription they can use 50 to 70 requests per hours, but who you are using free version of ChatGPT like me, they may not have this facility. They may have 13 to 14 or less than per hour request. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna talking about. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.